The charm of wooden chairs in modern interiors. When it comes to luxurious interiors, wooden chairs hold a special place. They are more than just furniture. They are a statement of elegance, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Wooden chairs have evolved beyond their traditional forms, embracing modern aesthetics while retaining their natural warmth and durability. Whether you're designing a dining room, a living space, or a cozy reading nook, luxurious wooden chairs bring a unique blend of sophistication and comfort. In today's modern interiors, wooden chairs are no longer limited to simple designs. They incorporate intricate details, innovative craftsmanship, and diverse finishes that cater to both traditional and contemporary tastes. From sculptural armchairs to sleek dining chairs, the variety of styles ensures that there's something for everyone. And with sustainability becoming a priority, wooden chairs are also a symbol of eco-conscious living, as they often use responsibly sourced or reclaimed wood. In this script, we'll explore a range of top luxurious wooden chair design ideas that are perfect for creating elegant and modern interiors. Let's dive into these exceptional pieces that combine functionality with artistic expression. 1. Sculptural wooden armchairs, a blend of art and functionality. First on the list are sculptural wooden armchairs, which are more than just seating options. They are works of art. These chairs are characterized by their unique forms, often featuring fluid curves, intricate carvings, or angular designs that immediately draw the eye. Teak, walnut, and oak are popular wood choices for these chairs due to their strength and rich textures. Designers often incorporate natural finishes that highlight the wood grain, making each chair a one-of-a-kind piece. For a more modern aesthetic, sculptural armchairs may include mixed materials, such as leather or upholstered cushions, paired with wooden frames. These chairs are perfect for living rooms, reading nooks, or even bedrooms. Their dramatic designs not only provide comfort, but also serve as conversation starters, adding a sense of sophistication to any space. Whether placed as standalone pieces or as part of a larger seating arrangement, sculptural wooden armchairs epitomize luxury and creativity. 2. Sleek wooden dining chairs. Minimalism meets elegance. In modern dining spaces, sleek wooden dining chairs are a must-have. These chairs combine minimalist design principles with the timeless beauty of wood, resulting in pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Many luxurious dining chairs feature ergonomic designs with gently curved backs and seats, ensuring maximum comfort during long meals or gatherings. For an added touch of elegance, look for chairs with tapered legs, seamless joints, and subtle details like brass inlays or leather accents. Lighter woods like ash or birch are ideal for Scandinavian-inspired interiors, creating a bright and airy feel. On the other hand, darker woods like mahogany or ebony bring a sense of richness and depth, making them perfect for more formal dining settings. Pair these chairs with a sleek wooden dining table to create a cohesive, elegant look that will impress your guests. 3. Mid-century modern wooden chairs, timeless and trendy. Mid-century modern designs have made a major comeback in recent years, and wooden chairs are at the forefront of this trend. Characterized by clean lines, organic shapes, and innovative construction techniques, mid-century modern wooden chairs are timeless pieces that fit seamlessly into modern interiors. Chairs like the iconic Eames lounge chair or the wishbone chair exemplify this style, combining wood with materials like leather, fabric, or rope. These designs often feature a combination of natural and stained wood finishes, highlighting the material's versatility. Mid-century modern wooden chairs are incredibly versatile, working well in dining rooms, living rooms, or even office spaces. Their understated elegance and attention to detail make them a favorite choice for those looking to add a touch of retro sophistication to their homes. 4. Rustic wooden chairs, embracing nature's beauty. For those who appreciate a more organic and natural look, rustic wooden chairs are the perfect choice. These chairs celebrate the raw beauty of wood, often featuring visible grain patterns, knots, and imperfections that add character and charm. Reclaimed wood is a popular material for rustic chairs, offering a sustainable option that is rich in history and texture. Designs may include hand-carved details, distressed finishes, or even live-edge elements that emphasize the wood's natural form. Rustic wooden chairs are ideal for creating cozy, inviting spaces, whether in a farmhouse-style dining room or a warm, nature-inspired living area. To enhance their appeal, pair them with soft cushions or throws in earthy tones, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and style. 5. Wooden rocking chairs. Luxury meets comfort. Wooden rocking chairs have long been associated with comfort and relaxation, but modern designs have elevated them to new heights of luxury. These chairs now feature sleek silhouettes, premium materials, and innovative mechanisms that make them both stylish and functional. High-end rocking chairs often incorporate curved wooden frames with upholstered seats and backs, providing the perfect balance of support and softness. Teak and walnut are popular wood choices, offering durability and a rich, warm appearance. For an added touch of elegance, some designs include brass or steel accents, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics. Wooden rocking chairs are perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even outdoor spaces like covered patios. Their soothing motion and timeless appeal make them a cherished addition to any home, offering a moment of peace in today's fast-paced world. 6. Customizable wooden chairs, tailored to your taste. One of the most exciting trends in luxurious wooden chair design is customization. Many designers and manufacturers now offer customizable options, allowing you to create a chair that perfectly suits your style and needs. From choosing the type of wood to selecting finishes, upholstery, and even dimensions, customizable wooden chairs ensure that every detail aligns with your vision. This level of personalization is especially appealing for those designing unique interiors, as it guarantees a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your taste and personality. Whether you're looking for a statement chair or a set of matching dining chairs, customization offers endless possibilities for creating luxurious and functional pieces that fit seamlessly into your home. Conclusion: elevating your space with luxurious wooden chairs. Wooden chairs are more than just furniture. They are an investment in style, comfort, and craftsmanship. From sculptural armchairs to sleek dining chairs and rustic rockers, these designs showcase the endless versatility and beauty of wood as a material. Incorporating luxurious wooden chairs into your interior design not only adds warmth and elegance, but also creates spaces that feel inviting and timeless. Whether you prefer minimalist modern styles or intricate, handcrafted details, there's a wooden chair designed to suit every taste. As you explore these ideas, remember that the true luxury lies in the details. The quality of the wood, the precision of the craftsmanship, and the harmony of the design all contribute to creating a piece that stands the test of time. Let these luxurious wooden chair designs inspire you to reimagine your interiors, transforming them into spaces of beauty, comfort, and sophistication.